guys, and welcome back. In this tutorial we're going to create a QR code in Excel. So I'm just going to open my Excel spreadsheet. So this is a URL. It's a simple table here. Is on the first column you have a URL. On the second column you have a QR code column where we're going to insert our QR code. So the first thing that we need to do is to download a special tool in order to create the QR code in Excel. So, and in order to install that tool, it is called QR4. So in order to download it, just go to insert. On the ribbon, just find insert, go to my add-ins. Then of course we need an internet connection. All right, so click Office Store, and then not in Office Store, go to Store, then just on the search, just type in QR4 like that. Then click this search button, and the add-in tool that we want is this QR4 Office, and it is free, right? So just click add to install it, click continue, and give it some few minutes so that it can be installed. And as you can see on my right hand side of the screen, there is this pop pen, and it is QR4 Office installed. So if I close this one and I want it back, I can simply go to insert, go to my add-ins, find this add-ins group, go to add-ins. Recently, you can also just click on it, then just as simple as that, then it appears on the right hand side. So I want to create a QR code for this particular URL. So in order to create a QR for a URL, you can choose, you have HTTPS, HTTP, mail, telephone, and these other ones. So what I want is HTTPS for this blog of mine. So I'm going to just copy that, and then right click, paste like that. And you can see it's already generated. So what I can do, I can change the background color of this. Then I can increase the size, the right size, and the correction error I can increase to high, which is 30%. Then, but at the same time, I just want it black. So let's just leave it black, and then click insert that. So it's inserted in here. I can drag it along. So let me just increase the size of the QR box, so like that. So I can set it right here inside this box. So this is the QR that I wanted. Now I can right click in order to save it as an image. All right, so just if you want it as an image, just go ahead and right click, then save as picture. And then I want to save it on my desktop like that. Then I want to name it as QR4, that, right? Just click save. So if I minimize this one, now I have my QR code right here, and it is in form of an image. I can use a phone to scan, right? So that's it for this tutorial, guys. See you in the next one.